An animal shelter donation request letter can make a real difference in the lives of abandoned, neglected, injured, and homeless animals. Many shelters depend heavily on donations to provide food, medical treatment, vaccinations, rescue services, rehabilitation, and safe housing. Without sufficient funding, shelters may struggle to care for animals properly or expand their life-saving programs. Many organizations make the mistake of sending donation requests that focus only on asking for money without clearly explaining the shelter's mission, current needs, and the impact donations will have. So, here is how to write it. Animal shelter information. Start by writing the shelter's contact information at the top of the letter. For example, Paws and Hope Animal Rescue Center, 1450 Willow Creek Road, Charlotte, NC 28202, 7045558241. contact@pawsandhope.org. This section identifies the organization requesting support and provides contact information for potential donors. Complete and accurate contact details help establish credibility and trust. Date. After the shelter information, write the date. For example, June 12, 2026. The date establishes when the donation request was issued. Using the current date helps show that the fundraising effort is active and ongoing. Recipient information. Next, write the donor's information. For example, Jennifer Collins, Collins Community Foundation, 850 Oakwood Boulevard, Charlotte, North Carolina 28204. This identifies the individual or organization receiving the donation request. Personalizing the request often helps create a stronger connection with the recipient. Subject line. Now write a clear subject line. For example, subject, donation request for animal shelter support. The subject immediately informs the recipient about the purpose of the letter. A direct subject line helps ensure the request is understood from the beginning. Salutation. Address the recipient professionally. For example, Dear Ms. Collins, this creates a respectful and professional opening. Using the recipient's correct name shows courtesy and professionalism. Opening paragraph. Now begin the letter by introducing the request. For example, I hope this letter finds you well. On behalf of Paws and Hope Animal Rescue Center, I am writing to respectfully request your support for our mission of providing care, protection, and shelter to animals in need. This paragraph introduces the purpose of the letter and establishes a positive tone. A welcoming introduction helps engage the donor before discussing funding needs. Organization mission paragraph. Next, explain the shelter's mission and services. For example, our organization is dedicated to rescuing abandoned, neglected, and homeless animals while providing them with food, medical care, rehabilitation, and opportunities for adoption into loving homes. Through the support of generous donors and community members, we are able to make a positive difference in the lives of countless animals each year. This paragraph helps donors understand the shelter's purpose and community impact. Explaining the mission helps demonstrate why financial support is important. Funding need paragraph. Now explain the specific purpose for which funding is needed. For example, we are currently seeking financial assistance for veterinary care and emergency medical treatment for rescued animals. The estimated cost of this initiative is $50,000, and we are reaching out to compassionate individuals, businesses, and organizations for support. This is one of the most important sections because it explains exactly what the funds will be used for. Specific fundraising goals often make requests more compelling and transparent. Donation impact paragraph. Next, explain how contributions will help. For example, your donation will directly contribute to the well-being of the animals under our care. Contributions help provide essential services such as food, vaccinations, medical treatment, shelter improvements, and adoption support programs. Every donation, regardless of the amount, has a meaningful impact on the lives of the animals we serve. This paragraph shows donors the direct results of their support. People are often more willing to contribute when they understand the impact of their donation. Donation methods section. Now explain how donations can be made. For example, if you would like to make a donation, you may do so through the following methods. Donation method, online donation. Account name, Paws and Hope Animal Rescue Center. Account number, 12345678 Additional information: www.pauseandhope.org/donate. This section provides practical instructions for making a contribution. Clear donation instructions make it easier for supporters to take action. Support and partnership paragraph. Next, express appreciation and emphasize the importance of donor support. For example, we would be deeply grateful for your support and partnership in helping us continue our work. Your generosity will help provide safety, comfort, and a second chance for animals in need. This paragraph highlights the value of the donor's contribution. Supporters often appreciate understanding the broader impact of their generosity. Additional information paragraph. Now offer to provide further details. For example, should you require additional information about our shelter, programs, or funding needs, please feel free to contact us. We would be happy to answer any questions you may have. This demonstrates transparency and openness. Making yourself available for questions can help build confidence and trust. Thank you paragraph. Next, express gratitude for the donor's consideration. For example, thank you for your time, consideration, and compassion. We sincerely appreciate your support and commitment to improving the lives of animals in our community. This paragraph acknowledges both the donor's time and potential contribution. A sincere expression of gratitude helps leave a positive impression. Sincerely. Now close the letter properly. For example, sincerely, Olivia Bennett, Executive Director, Paws and Hope Animal Rescue Center. This section identifies the person making the request on behalf of the shelter. Including a name and position helps establish accountability and professionalism. Contact information. Finally, provide direct contact details. For example, phone 704-555-8241. Email olivia.bennett@pawsandhope.org. This gives donors a direct way to contact the organization for additional information. Accessible contact information can encourage communication and support. Before sending your animal shelter donation request letter, make sure the purpose of the fundraising effort is clearly explained. The donation instructions are accurate, and the impact of donor contributions is easy to understand. People are more likely to support a cause when they see how their donation will be used and understand the difference it will make. A strong donation request letter combines transparency, compassion, and a clear explanation of how contributions will help provide care, safety, and a better future for animals in need. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more step-by-step writing guides. See you in the next video.